Tinkercad. Okay, no, not.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Tinkercad.
So what will happen as soon as we will make a new circuit, the circuits will be there with you also.
Yes, sir. So now what do we have to do, sir?
Click on Tinkercad, AutoCAD Tinkercad
What?
logo,
So in what?
Autodesk Tinkercad logo. Click on that.
Yes, sir. Now?
Start tinkering.
Yes, sir. Starting.
You will find 3D blocks and those kind of things. 3D
Sir,
blocks.
I have options, sir. Start Tinkercad. How will you use your
Okay.
Tinkercad in school or
Create
on your
personal
own?
account. Create personal account.
Okay.
With Google, you can sign in. Yes.
Yes.
Actually, what happens with Google, it becomes very easy. We don't need to do
Yes.
anything else. We will choose circuits from 3D designing circuits and the other things.
Yes,
Please
sir.
click on circuit, cross this thing, and please click on circuit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And no. Please follow my instructions. Don't do anything on your own beforehand. Click on create new circuit.
Create new circuit. Create project.
No. At just under circuits, you will see just beside your
Yes.
profile picture. Yes.
Yeah.
Create new circuit. Yes. Listen to me carefully. Then do whatever you are trying to do. Okay. Now you will see that the entire palette will be there. What is a palette?
Yes.
Palette contains all the components that we need to do the
Yes, sir.
project.
I can see.
Okay. So the palette is there and you can easily see all the components are there. So first of
Yes.
one thing, select the LED and the Arduino from the palette.
Yes, sir.
Just click on it and it will come. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And now you can
Now,
rotate the Arduino also from the option which is present at the top left corner.
sir, is it fine?
Yes. You can change the color of LED also over here.
Sir, now, sir, should I connect it?
Yes, you will connect it. So first tell me which is the positive leg and which is the negative leg of LED.
So the cathode is the negative. So the cathode is the negative leg.
Okay,
So
you complete the circuit, then I will suggest you a good thing. See, I would the wires, all the wires, please delete them. See, there's a
how to delete?
the option of deleting
Yes,
it
sir.
from the. See,
Sir, I
okay,
deleted it.
always try to not take the wire from top of the Arduino. Okay, do one thing
Okay.
every time. Try to arrange the wires in such a manner that we can see its traversal path very clearly. Okay,
Yes,
always
sir.
drag the wire in such a manner that it does not coincide with another wire. Try these things. Nothing will happen, but it would look nice and you will easily detect how the wire is going and to which port. Okay. Like this, how can you understand that if you want to connect any other pin to the 5 volts 3.3, then how can you will be understanding that those ports are empty? So you will
Okay,
have
sir.
to
Let me change it.
travel down and then you will have to go back to the port. Always do like this. Whenever you're doing, you will see that I will be also doing like that. Okay, yes. Then move right. Yes, like this you will be doing. Always be nice and clean with the circuit. So you are
Sir, done.
connecting the shorter leg to negative. It's good. Now the time for positive one.
Sir.
Okay. Now you will what is the first thing that you will do? See, for our benefit, what do? We connect. We always take red cable to attach the positive leg of LED to the Arduino or any other machine or any other battery. Okay. So
Yes, yes.
what you will do, you will select the wire, the positive wire, which you are taking from the longer strand, which you have connected to. Click on that and change its color to red. Okay, these are conventions.
Okay. This,
Click on it. Click on it.
sir, like,
Yes,
sir,
click on it.
here.
No, not there. On the wire. Don't take another wire. Just click on the wire which you have made. Don't design a new wire. Just click on the wire that you have made.
Yes, sir. Here.
Yes. Now change the color to red.
Yes, sir.
Because in electronics, you can read anywhere that we take black wire as the ground wire and red wire as the power supply wire. Okay. So now do
Yes,
one
sir.
thing, change the color of ground to black. These things will make sure that we see the circuits very clearly, which wire is going where. So take black wire resembles
Yes, sir.
negative and red wire resembles positive power supply. Okay. Now what
Yes.
you will go to code,
Yes, sir.
click on code and go
Yes,
to
sir.
blocks and then select text. Click
Sir, where to go? Sir, blocks.
blocks, select text,
Yes, sir.
continue.
Yes, sir. I
And
got it.
please delete the entire thing. Delete the entire program.
So, why set up everything?
Delete everything, because since we are doing for the first time, we will be writing everything. You will be writing everything so that you can have an expertise on writing
Sir,
code.
how can we learn? Sir, how can we learn coding, sir?
See, the coding which Arduino actually requires is basically of mixture of C and C++. This is called embedded C. So first of all, two things we write in the code. That is
Yes.
the void setup and void loop. So write those
Yes.
things down first. Void setup with two brackets and then void loop. And void setup and void loop is small letters. Void setup and void loop is totally in small letters.
Okay, sir. 1 second, sir.
Yes. Take time, don't hurry. We have time and we have
Void setup.
nothing to rush. Then two
Sir, should
brackets.
I give space?
No space. First
Okay, sir.
bracket and first bracket ending. Two brackets. Give those brackets.
Sir,
Sir,
should I give
first
space
bracket.
after the first bracket?
No.
Okay, sir.
Then go press enter and then start a second bracket.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Press enter.
Yes, sir.
Press enter.
Yes. Sir, your voice is not that clear, sir.
And then enter. Please give a ending second bracket.
Sir, here.
Anywhere. We are just framing the
Yes, sir. Give it.
writing the code. Then again press enter and write void loop.
1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
Then give the bracket like we did for setup. Then again give the second brackets similarly. So now we have done the framing part. Now we will have to write proper codes in the proper places. Okay. So the first thing that we do is we take a variable. The variable will denote LED, right? So first, where do we initialize a particular variable?
Sir, from sir, like 8.
Yes, 8 is the number to which we are connecting the LED. But
For
we
digital.
always, please listen to me first, okay? First, listen to me. If you listen to me, then you will get to know what you are trying to get to know as your knowledge. First, we initialize a variable at the top before void setup. So first go there and write const space int, give a variable name, then the variable name
Should I give it? Sir, I have to give it before void setup or after void setup?
We always initialize a variable at the very top, because after initializing variable, then only we can use it. Okay. If we don't initialize the variable at the top, then the program will not run. it will show that the variable has not been declared.
Yes, sir. Const.
And why are we writing const? Everything will be in small letter, please.
Yeah, okay, sir. Const int.
Why are we writing const?
Sir, because it is continuous flow, sir.
Continuous flow. No, not continuous flow. It will be constantly present at the 8th point.
Yes,
It will not change its position. Okay. And why we are writing int? Because the variable is equal to 8. 8 is an integer. That's why we are
yes.
storing the variable in int data type. Int is a data type. And what are data types?
Yes.
Data types are storage spaces which stores some data. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
I let's say if I am throwing a ball at you, okay, I am throwing a ball
Yes,
at
sir.
you, right? Then what will happen? You will catch the ball, right? Listen to me very carefully. But if you already have 2 balls in your hands, then can you catch the ball which I am throwing at you?
No, sir.
No, because you don't have space. So in order to store something, we need to have space, and int provides that space because int is a data type. Data type stores a particular kind of data. Int stores integer type data. Okay, that's why we are using int, and then we will be giving a name to the variable which LED will be using throughout the code. Okay, give a space and then give a name to the LED.
Sir, what should I give?
Anything. You can give any name, but it should start with an alphabet. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you are giving let. Okay, now put an equal to sign and then you can mention the pin at which you are connecting the LED to in Arduino.
8.
Okay, write 8 and
Yes,
then
sir.
put a semicolon. And now I
Okay,
will ask you the second question. Semicolon, not comma.
Okay, sir.
Why we put a semicolon?
I don't know, sir.
Think once. Think once. It's a very basic thing in any kind of coding. It's a very basic thing. If you do Python, if you do C language, if you do embedded C like this, whatever programming language you do, this is a basic thing of that programming language. See, the const int let pin equal to 8, this line ends over here. How can the computer understand? Whenever the compiler will see that there is a semicolon, it will understand that that line is ending over there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And we don't.
It is like a full stop, sir.
Yes, it acts like full stop. We don't use semicolon after the void setup command. We don't use semicolon after void loop command. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can easily enter the void setup area, and in order to write anything under void setup, we will have to write that in between the 2 brackets.
Yes, sir.
Because within these 2 brackets, if we write something, it is actually we are writing under void setup. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
inside void setup, we actually do 2 things. First thing, serial.begin. That means initialization of Arduino, and because with the help by mentioning the frequency,
Yes.
what we are doing, we are just starting the Arduino to work. We are just asking the Arduino to start working, and then we initialize the pin mode. Okay, we initialize the pin by writing the pin mode. So write these 2 things.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what should I start with, sir?
You will start with serial.begin. Okay, now wait for 2 minutes. I need to tell something. See, there you will come across 2 types of commands in Arduino.
Yes.
First one will be a word will be there, then there will be a dot, and there will be another word. In these type of cases, when 2 words are mixed with one another with a dot in between, the
Yes.
first alphabet of the first word will be capital. So
Okay.
serial.begin, in serial.begin, S will be capital, and the rest of the part, serial.begin, rest of the part will be small. But whenever you will be writing a mixture of two words like pin mode, which does not have a dot in between, what will happen? The first alphabet of the second letter, the second word will be capital. Okay, it will come to your with practice, so it will not a problem. It will not be a problem. So please write serial dot begin. And within
Serial
serial
dot
dot begin, what do we mention?
Sir, the ground, sir. Or
No, we mention the
then,
baud rate. Baud rate means the
sir,
frequency
sir,
at which Arduino
yes, sir.
works best. Okay.
1300
No, 9600.
9600.
Okay.
Sir,
And
will we give it in brackets?
yes, within the brackets, obvious. Don't put a space. Okay. It's not required.
Okay.
Please delete the space.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, 1 second, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
put a semicolon at the very ending. Now listen to me very carefully. See, these are basic things and it is very important for your knowledge. Do you like to listen to radio, or have you listened to radio?
Yes.
So, okay, first tell me, which is the channel you want to listen to? Which is your favorite channel?
93.5.
93.5. Okay. But if you tune into 93.4 or 93.6, will you
Yes.
be able to listen to music?
No.
Clearly.
Yes, sir. No. We will not be able
Okay,
to.
so this will be your homework for today. Okay. This will be your homework for today, and your homework will be to tune into radio and listen to your favorite channel, but with 93.4 or 93.6. Okay, seriously, this will be your homework. Okay,
Sir, this is not possible, sir.
listen to me. Why? Because see, frequencies are something which we permutate, and with permutation and combination we come to know that this is the best coordinate at which the sound is coming clear, most clear. What happens with 93.5? They have taken that particular band. Okay, a bandwidth is a collection of many bands. They had particularly taken that coordinate and they are running their channel. So you can easily tune into 93.5 and listen to music. But in 93.4 and 6, what happens? Music can be listened, but there will be noise. Okay, so what happens? Red FM performs the best in 93.5, but they can also work in 4 and 6 also. Here also, the Arduino can also work in 9599 or 9601, but the transfer of data, okay, if you transfer 10 datas, let's say 9599, what happens? 8 datas will be sent, okay, but 2 datas will not be sent. In 9601, what will happen? If you send 15 datas, or 12 datas will be sent, okay, but in case of 9600, if you send 15 datas, all the 15 datas will be sent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the efficiency of 9600 is much higher and the best. That's why we consider 9600. Okay. And what is?
Sir, it is very confusing for me now, sir.
Yes. What happens whenever? That's why I am asking you to write the codes on your own. Whenever you will be writing your codes, I have seen many students, okay, who fumble a bit at the very beginning, because these are the things which we are not taught from the childhood. Okay, so we get a bit confused, but with time you will easily be learning this and you will be able to teach others also. Okay, so
Now I give space.
now we will be initializing the pin, okay,
Yes,
which
sir.
we are using for LED. So for initialization of pin, what do we write? Pin mode. Write that
Yes, sir.
thing. P is small because there is no dot in between two words. Pin mode is a single word with mixture of two words, pin and M capital, because two words are getting mixed without a dot. Very good, very good. Now turn on the bracket.
Yes, sir. Sir, will we give space?
No, no space. Wherever space will be needed, I will say. I will tell. Now, listen to me very carefully. Inside pin mode, what do we do? Inside pin mode, first of all, we write the number of pin we are attaching to, connecting to. So write the number of pin only.
Sir, 8.
Yes, write 8 and then listen to me again. Now, we put a comma and then we write the nature of the pin. What is the nature of the pin? Is it an input
Digital.
pin or is it an output pin?
It is an input pin.
It's not an input
No,
pin
output pin.
because
Output pin.
LED is not getting any information from the it's just showing us something. It's just giving us some result. Okay. So we put a comma and write output full in capital. The nature will be totally in capital output.
Yes.
Since it's an output device.
Output.
Give a bracket, closing bracket, and then a semicolon. Okay. Now again, listen to me. Don't put an enter. We don't need the void setup anymore. See, so now you can easily find out that pin mode and the two brackets. The syntax of pin mode. What is the syntax of pin mode? Pin mode bracket starts number of pin we are connecting to, comma nature of pin we have connected. Then the bracket.
Sir, can I see you? Sir, now can I see you all the sir all the features of all the sir all the features of all the ports, sir?
No.
So
now do one thing.
So I can.
Now do one thing. If you have a copy, please take it out.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Yes. Okay. So whatever things I am telling to you, please write those things down. Okay. Since we are in the basics, if we write all these things now, then what will happen after practicing? These things will be used in the later codes. You will not see any kind of problem. First, write int, give int, write int and give an equal to sign and write.
Yes.
Sir. A data type which stores integer data.
Data type.
Which stores integer data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, please ask.
Yes, sir. My question is, sir, 8 will not be an integer number, sir, because it is not minus 8. It is 8, sir. It will be a whole number.
-8 and 8 both are integer. One is positive number, another is negative number, and 8 is a whole number. -8 also is a whole number. If it was 8 points, it was a decimal number. If it was 8.5, then 8 would be the whole number and half will be the fraction. Okay. Now listen to me. You have written the int part.
Yes, sir.
Now write serial.begin, and after writing serial.begin, please give an equal to and write.
Yes, sir.
Command to initialize Arduino or start Arduino. Command to start Arduino.
Yes, sir.
And within bracket, you will write to start serial communication. Serial communication is the name of the communication which is right now going in between LED, Arduino, and with the help of these wires.
Yes, sir.
Now write 9600 and give an equal to.
Yes, sir.
Write baud rate, BAUDRATE. 9600's name is baud rate. BAUDRATE.
RAT.
TE. Rate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then put a comma and write best frequency at Arduino works.
What's that?
Frequency at which Arduino works best. Done?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pin mode in the next line and put a equal to.
Yes, sir. 1 sir. Sir, can I say?
You have written pin mode and you have given the equal to.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. To declare pin number and its nature.
So done.
If we were doing the class not online, offline, then the first thing that I do with every student is I write the first code for them. Okay, the entire LED code with Arduino, and after writing, I give arrow to each word and each comma or each step, so that afterwards, then when they will do, if they see the first page, then they will easily be writing the next codes, and then there will be no problem. Since you are not present with me right now, that's why I need to. I am dictating you the entire thing and you are writing. Okay. Okay. So the next thing that we will be doing. Okay. Can you tell me a difference between void loop and a void setup?
Yes, sir. Void loop. The void loop gives commands to start and the communication and pin modes. And the void setup. So void setup does all these things. And void loop is for the instructions to follow when we do the programming.
Okay. Do you know why? Do you know why we mention only this setup serial.begin and the pin number part only, not in the void loop but in void setup? When I will show you this at the end of the I'll be sharing my screen and I'll be showing you this. Okay. What happens?
Yes,
when we just click on the software where we do the coding for Arduino, the actual software of Arduino, you will be seeing that inside void setup, whatever will be written, it will run only once. Okay. Void setup runs only once and void loop runs until and unless we want. Until and unless we stop void loop will be keep on running. If we don't mention any stopping.
Sir.
Yes.
My father told to ask this question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we get the common codes from the in the Arduino software?
Yes. Whatever code we will be writing in Arduino software, and we can also write those things in Tinkercad also. Same code, same syntax, same rule.
How so?
How means? Whatever code we will write in Arduino software, we can already also write them over here also, same code. Why the code will change? Whatever we write in Arduino IDE, we will be writing the same over here also. For instance, if you select the code which we will write over here, if you select and place it in the Arduino IDE, it will run. There will be not a problem, not a single problem. Both are same. Okay. So the next thing that I was saying, void setup runs only once and void loop continuously runs on and on. So if you think, if you are making an automatic door, okay, if you are making an automatic door, someone is going and it opened, he or she gone, and then it closed, and after that it's not moving. If you mention the logic in void setup, what will happen? It will run only once. Since we need the pin declaration of Arduino only once, and we need the logics or the main program to go on and on for many times, we write the main program in void loop and just mention the details and the configuration in the void setup. That's why we write the main code in void loop and the declarations and descriptions in void setup. Okay. Now quickly write the digital write section in void loop.
Sir, sure. Sir, it will be capitals.
No. See again, digital write is actually mixture of two words and there is no dot in between. So which letter will be
Sir,
capital?
the W will be capital.
Yes. We put a bracket, right?
Now we give, yes, sir.
Then we put a bracket and then we mention the pin which we are controlling. Put the pin number.
8, sir.
Yes, and then
Yes, sir.
we want to put the activity which we want it to do, and there are only two activities, high or low. Okay, so we want to make it high, so write, give a comma and then write high in entirely capital. After giving a comma, after 8 give a comma, then write high, number of pin, then a comma, then the activity, and don't put a space.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
are you doing? Put a comma after 8.
One second. Sir, one second. Yeah.
It's showing that your
Now, sir.
internet connection is unstable. Okay, no problem. Put a bracket at the
Yes,
end.
sir.
Yes, and put a semicolon. Okay, now we mentioned delay. Delay is the time for which the entire procedure will go on, the entire time throughout which the 8 will be high. Okay, so you can mention delay. If I tell you to mention, if I tell you to keep the LED glowing for 5 seconds, what will you write?
Sir, 5,000 milliseconds.
Very good. Since Arduino works on millisecond and we want to write in seconds, we will have to write 5,000 because 1,000 millisecond equals to 1 second. Okay, give delay.
Yes, sir.
And within the brackets mention the time throughout which it should be glowing. Very good. No, we don't write unit. We don't write unit. Have I asked you to write unit? Close the bracket
Yes, sir.
and give a semicolon. Follow my instructions. Don't be overexcited.
Yes, sir.
Okay, put a semicolon, please.
Yes.
And then what we will do, see, the LED is high for 5 seconds now. Now we will have to make it low. It will it will become low after 5 seconds, but still we will be mentioning the instruction. So digital write 8 comma what?
Low.
Very good. Write that thing down. Now again a delay will be there. So
Yes,
for
sir.
2 seconds it should stop glowing and then again it will glow for 5 seconds. Okay. So here our code ends. Now, after code ends, what do? We start simulation.
Yes, sir. So should I start?
Yes, of course. And click on code so that this window will go away. The code window will go away. Okay. Now you will see that for 5 seconds it will be glowing and for 2 seconds it will be stopping.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now you can easily see that whatever our objective is, we have fulfilled our objective, right? Now you stop sharing because now I will be sharing my screen and I will be showing you something.
Yes, sir.
Now this is our Arduino IDE software. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I have
Sir,
what I have said that I will show you a new thing. See, it's already written over here that void setup, put your setup code here to run once, right?
Yes.
So whatever you will write over here, it will run once. That means we need only what is the thing that we need only once? That is the description of the code.
Instructions and description.
Yes, the descriptions. The please Arduino, please LED, what's your pin number?
Board.
This thing. And to put our main code here to run repeatedly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is the thing which I was saying. That this is the basic difference between setup and loop. Okay. Now, today we have done the connection with LED and Arduino, and like this we have coded and all the things. Now, in the next class, what we will be doing? We will be connecting more than one LEDs. Okay, we will be connecting more than one LEDs, and with the breadboard, we will be doing the connection. Okay.
Sir, with resistors and the breadboard.
Yes, and we will also use resistors. Very good. I was just going to say that we will be also using resistors. And do you know why we need to use resistors?
Yes, sir. To reduce or to make high the voltage, sir.
Not to make high, to reduce only. Okay.
Sir,
In order to make it make the voltage high, we use transistor. I will come to it later on. But can you tell me the basic meaning of resist? The English meaning of resist?
Resist means to restrict.
Yes, to restrict or to stop. Okay.
Yes.
If another country is attacking your country, your soldiers will resist them to enter in your country. Okay. So resistance, what is the actual purpose of resistor? They actually resist the extra flow of current which is not required. Okay. And there are some specific values of resistors. We will be coming to that. I will be explaining the entire resistor in the next class or in the next class to next class. When it will be required, I will be telling you all the values, how to get the values, and how, with the help of values, how can we frame which colors are there on the resistors. You will see that there are many colors on it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, can you please tell me what are the components that you have already gathered?